Welcome to LD College of Engineering, a premier government engineering institute in the state of Gujarat. It is administered by the Directorate of Technical Education and affiliated to Gujarat Technological University. LD College of Engineering was established in 1948 through a generous grant of 31 hectares of land by the textile magnate Shri Kasturbai Lalbhai. It is situated in the lush green educational campus environment near Gujarat University and very well connected to institutes of national importance in research such as SAC ISRO, IPR, PRL, ATIRA, IIM Ahmedabad and now IIT Gandhinagar also. LD has become a hub of academic excellence in the state and region. Very recently, it has been given a 4-star rating under the Gujarat State Rating Framework. It has also excelled in its placement with very high placements and very high pay packages through about 270 national and multinational industries visiting the campus, some of which are L&T, Accenture, Siemens, Ford, IBM and the Tata Group. The living legacy of Lalbhai Kasturbai campus through its 7 decades has brought us noteworthy credentials of international and national levels in its curricular, co-curricular and extracurricular activities. We have been adopting cutting-edge technology in our teaching, learning and evaluation mechanisms. Very recently, we have obtained accreditation in 3 of our domains, civil, mechanical and electrical, and 2 other programs are well on their way towards accreditation. 59 faculty hold PhD and 94 of them are about to get their PhDs. The college has an excellent enrollment of 6,500 students from across these various states and multinational students also. The mantra for each student and faculty on this campus is that innovation distinguishes the leader from his followers. In order to promote our research and development activities, we have established many central facilities such as the DST IT or incubator, the design lab, the Center of Excellence in Welding, the Siemens Center of Excellence in Automation, the ISRO Navik Satellite Receiver, the Param Supercomputer Lab, and also the SSIP Innovation Cell for the students and teachers. All the departments have ongoing projects continuously funded by Guj Coast, DST, and some of the IITs also. Recently, 3 of our startups have registered as companies and have already started earning even while they are still studying on campus. We have 110 innovative projects going online through the Student Startup Innovation Policy, and we have faculty and students who have registered 43 patents through these POCs. With the support of the Roads and Building Department and the Government of Gujarat, LD has received a grant of 60 crore rupees for bringing up new buildings in computer and IT, chemical, rubber and plastic, and also refurbishing our library, our administrative blocks and landscaping. LD has also moved towards becoming a more sustainable and green campus, and very recently we might be the first ever campus in the city and state. LD is enriched in its industry linkages with very high linkages with the industry. Each department has an industry advisory board through which it conducts industry internships, industry trainings. Many of our projects of the final year as well as SSIP are co-mentored by industry mentors. All the departments have a chapter with the professional bodies such as ISHRAE, Institute of Engineers, SAI, Chemical Engineering, Institute of Engineers, IEEE, etc. LD has a very strong alumni association under LA. Our alumni are spread across the globe and are continuously mentoring our students to become the best engineers across the globe and to achieve the graduate attributes expected globally. The adaptability and technological phase of the campus is evident from the myriads of activities that were undertaken online during the recent pandemic lockdown. LD has conducted about 86 webinars with the global CEOs, alumni and industry, about 1,000 virtual lectures and laboratories, about 4,000 MCQs and quizzes. We have also conducted online interviews and placements, finishing schools. The highlight of the pandemic was a mega open house exhibition of all the final year projects which were mentored and vetted by our industry. The student community itself has conducted about 100 online activities in co-curricular and extracurricular domains. Each year, LD NSS has won awards national level by the President of India for the past 6 years consecutively. So the social service component is very high on the campus. LD conducts regular high-end faculty development programs too, to upgrade its faculty. This includes training at various IITs and also through the MHRD funded GYAN project, wherein we can invite international faculty on campus to train our faculty. The departments have DST funded projects for their research and development activities. I am sure that the energy and enthusiasm of its dynamic students and faculty will lead us to great heights which will make the state and nation proud. Welcome to engineering. Have a great time on the campus, and we hope you will have a beautiful journey towards your professional career at LD College of Engineering.